Okay, so I've already started the document. Regular polygons is number 13. Let's pick a sketch plane to draw on. I'm going to hit the N button. And here's the polygon. So the idea here is that we have two ways to determine a size. We have inscribed and circumscribed. Basically, let me show you. So as I pick a polygon here, I can figure out the distance from the center to the closest point in the polygon. This is also called the apothem. We're going to use this later when we are figuring out the area of polygons, right? So let's make this one, and now I can pick the number of sides. If I go out, we get more sides. If I move my mouse in, we get less. So let's make this one actually a 3-sided polygon. Click. Now I can also dimension this guy to whatever size I want. So let's make this 1. Now, let's see what happens when I do the exact same thing over here with a circumscribed polygon. Let's do that here. And I'm going to make a triangle again. And click. Now, this time, escape. I'm going to dimension that to also be 1. It's a major difference. Also, let's try another one. Now, you also see that wherever I move my mouse, that's where the point or the vertex of this shape is going to be pointing. So I can lock that to be vertical or horizontal. So let's make a triangle with a horizontal bottom. So click. And you see that's all the way to the bottom, but I can go back and change that, which I will. So triangle, click. I am going to make this 1 inch again. And I'm going to force a side here to be horizontal. And I can even move this guy around. I can even snap it to the origin if I want. All right, so let's try a couple other shapes. Where'd it go? I'm lost. Okay, so let's try an inscribed polygon. I feel like these are the ones that you're probably going to be using a little more often. So let's put that guy over here. Click. And let's make a 2 inch. See right there, the little symbol right next to my mouse, that little black line, that means it's locked in at vertical. You can also lock it at horizontal. You'll see that little black line is now horizontal. Now it's vertical. All right, so come down here, get the same thing, vertical. Okay, so this is a hexagon, but I want an octagon. Check. And let's figure out a size. Let's make this one 2 inches. Oh, I missed. All right, let's try that again. All right, inscribed. Click. Great, and dimension circle, and let's make it 2. Nice. Okay. And on the other side, let's make a circumscribed hexagon. Now see, this one is a lot harder to lock horizontal or vertical. You just don't get that. All right, so let's just try the best we can. All right, and make an octagon. 1, 2, 3, that's 7, 6, 8. Check. And click on the circle to adjust the size. Let's make this 2. And I'm going to lock the side to be vertical. So I'm going to do the vertical constraint and click vertical. Bam. Very nice. All right. I think that's about it, because by now you should know how to use all the tools for the regular polygons. The word regular, if you're not in geometry yet, just means that all sides are congruent and all angles are congruent in whatever shape. So the same number of sides and the same number of angles. All right, so make sure to take a